morning everyone. This is Rimpi Arora with Miss Avleen Kaur, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology at ISFCP Moga.
And today we will perform the practical of human anatomy and physiology. So our practical is the determination of the clotting time. So for the clotting time we will need 70% alcohol, stopwatch for the time, pricking needle to prick the finger for the collection of the blood sample, then capillary tubes and glass slides. So there are three methods by which the clotting time can be determined. These are Lee and White's method. In this we will need the test tube. Second method we have is the Wright's method. For that we will need the capillary tube, and the third method we have is the Duke's method. For this we will need the glass slides.
So what is the clotting time? It is a time taken from the puncture of the blood vessel to the formation of fibrin thread. The normal clotting time value is 2 to 8 minutes. In today's practical, we perform the clotting time by Wright's method using capillary tubes and Duke methods using glass slide. Aseptic condition. Now we are going to perform clotting time using Wright method with capillary tubes and Duke method using glass slides. For this we have 70% alcohol, stopwatch, capillary tubes, picking needles, glass slides, cotton swabs mounted with 70% alcohol. Now we begin with the procedure following Duke method using glass slide. To start the procedure, we have to sterilize the finger with 70% alcohol. After sterilization, we have to prick the finger with pricking needle. And immediately start the stopwatch and drop of blood approximately 5 mm diameter is placed on a glass slide. The slide is held horizontally. After that, we held the slide vertically at every 30 seconds to see the change of the form of the blood from the solution to the gel form. After completion of 30 seconds, we tilt the slide in a vertical position to recheck the change in form of the blood. Now you can see there is no change in the blood form as blood flowing freely in a vertical position. We have to note it down for the next 30 seconds. After next 30 seconds, we have to tilt the glass slide again in a vertical position to check the change in form of the blood. Blood is flowing freely. For that, we have to wait for the next 30 seconds. At the next 120 seconds, we again recheck the change in form. There is no change as you can see in the slide in a vertical position. As you can see at 2:30 seconds, the stoppage of flow of blood, that means during the coagulation of blood, the solution form of blood is changed to gel form. This will give the clotting time. This will give the clotting time by Duke method. The value that is 2.30 seconds. We begin with the procedure. Firstly, we have to sterilize the finger with 70% alcohol and prick the finger with pricking needle and start the stopwatch. When adequate amount of blood drop is formed, introduce one end of capillary glass tube in drop of blood and holding another end slightly lower so that blood flows rapidly into capillary tube. Fill capillary glass tube 75 to 80%. Hold the capillary glass tube in hand so that temperature will maintain. At the end of 1 minute, break 1 centimeter part of the tube and see whether fibrin thread is formed or not. After breaking of the first segment, break 1 centimeter segment at every 30 seconds till the last segment will hang with fibrin thread. Now we are observing there is no thread-like structure get formed yet. We will wait for the next 30 seconds. After completion of next 30 seconds, we have to break the capillary tube for the observation of fibrin-like structure. After repetitive breakage of capillary tube at every 30 seconds, you can see last segment is hanging with the remaining part, which is due to the formation of fibrin thread. Normal clotting time with this method is 2 to 8 minutes. Show broken segment and hanging segment to your examiner with your clotting time value.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask from the link that is given below.